tomorrow is the reception of Deepika and Ranveer actually happening, and maybe Priyanka also. How would you like to wish them?
I would like to wish them a long marriage or a companionship and lots of happiness and luck. And yeah, I'll be going there tomorrow, so I can't wait to see them.
Unveiling the Nirvana Noya collection, what have to say about it?
As I mentioned before, I think I'd say the same thing. I think it's a very young brand, started by a woman entrepreneur. And in the tradition of having so many family brands in this business, I think it's very courageous, very brave of her to start such a young brand. And this new launch that we have today of the diamond range Noya is very unique. Noya means divine beauty. It's inspired by the divine beauty of goddesses and women. And the USP, I think, of this collection is that it's very lightweight, very easy to wear, but it's one-of-a-kind design. Every piece is a statement piece, and it also, some of the pieces have a dash of color, like with a ruby or a sapphire. It's really unique. It's meant for women to, like, I mean, women can use this, wear this for wedding ceremonies, wedding receptions. I can wear this for my red carpet looks. I don't really have much diamond jewelry, so I know where to go now. So I just want to wish her all the best and big congratulations. मैंने पहली मतलब नकली या असली असली मेरे हस्बैंड ने एक रिंग खरीदी थी मेरे लिए मेरी माँ ने मेरे लिए एक मंगलसूत्र खरीदा था कहाँ है पता नहीं पर मेरे पास असली ज्वेलरी है ही नहीं आपने कभी नहीं खरीदा नहीं
So why like an investment also people feel like that, you know, and jewelry is always a girl's.
Yeah, but you know, I'm so lucky because my profession allows me to wear all sorts of jewelry. And imagine wearing this piece today in the afternoon, just, you know, it comes home, you wear it and you go out. So I'm very fortunate that way. And I think every day I dress up and I have such amazing people and inspiring people whose stories I get to know every day. So, but now I know where to go. Also, my knowledge of jewelry is developing. So, you know, I think the more I understand about jewelry, the more I would like to invest.
This is a very, you know, there are award function happening, wedding happening. So how do you like to dress, especially when it comes to jewelry also actually? How do you?
I think I like to wear statement pieces, which is why this piece is it's perfect for me. Because I think all her jewelry is like that.
Another thing, you have to enjoy wearing the piece.
Exactly.
If it's lightweight and you can wear it for longer time, you're not like, abhi nikalna hai, abhi nikalna hai. So most of our pieces we make sure are lightweight and very wearable.
No, you don't understand. So many times on the red carpet you go in with these earrings and you just basically want to cry because they're so heavy. And this is like literally, I don't even feel like I'm wearing a proper diamond necklace.
But every piece is inspired actually. What's the inspiration?
So, we have a lot of floral motifs of flower nature. Women, you know, the beauty of women, the strength, all that is very easily captured through flowers. And yeah, we have a lot of temple jewelry where the feminine form has been captured, divine beauty.
Subscribe to Biscuit TV and press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss another Bollywood update from Biscuit TV.